is our last day in LA, and I figured I would take a video of the apartment. Here is the entry into our Airbnb. Alright, here is the house. Which goes back into a kitchen. Here's the bedroom. And of course, a bathroom. So let me just pause it right here so I can tell you I would never stay in this Airbnb ever again. And that is because there was a security issue. When we first checked in, the host had left different notes around the home. And mind you, when I looked for a home on Airbnb, I wanted a private home all to ourselves. Well, there was a note left on one door that said, hey, leave this door unlocked for the downstairs tenant. That is definitely a security concern. I called her right away and she said it was his fire escape and he doesn't know us or trust us. First of all, if it's his fire escape, you probably should not be renting out this unit. And second of all, I don't know him, I don't know her, I don't know anyone in this neighborhood, and I'm not from there. And as being two women alone, I'm definitely not letting a man have access to our unit. So if I was there by myself, I definitely would have called Airbnb and checked out because of that concern of safety. Otherwise, it was very spacious, very comfortable. It was near everything, 13 minutes to Hollywood, downtown, Universal Studios, whatever. So let's head on back to the video and get out of LA. And real quick before we head back to the video, the host did allow for us to lock the door during that time. So that definitely helped with the safety. But if you don't pay attention to those notes, since it's not in the Airbnb listing, you could run into some situations. SoCal, you were great. But explorers, pretty please make sure you like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned to next week's video. Next week's video will no longer be in California, so stay tuned to see what it will be. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are.